Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Y'all, thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate you being here. You make my day brighter just knowing that you're here, and I really do thank you. Mitch McConnell said we need more stimulus now, and we need to pass a stimulus bill before the end of the year. But Nancy Pelosi is standing in the way. He is blaming Nancy Pelosi for holding up the stimulus package, when it was him that was sitting on everything for months and saying that we need to put the brakes on spending. This man must have dementia or something, or else he would remember saying that. Schumer and Pelosi is blaming Mitch McConnell for the holdup, saying that his bill would give big business and corporations too much legal protection, and I agree. This would also help Mitch McConnell and all of his rich friends, not the American people. The Democrats are saying the COVID-19 vaccine will be readily available next year, and we will have the pandemic under control in 2021. If you remember, Dr. Fauci also said basically the same thing last week. There's a lot of people coming around to this way of thinking, that the pandemic is on its way out. In this $908 billion package, it is $300 per week in federal unemployment money for 4 months, $160 billion in state and local government funding, legal liability protection for businesses, $288 billion in PPP money for small business. Small business is up for debate. You can have one big umbrella company with a lot of small businesses under it. Is that really a small business, or is that one big business? And you know, the last time when they had the PPP funding, it wasn't needed. It wasn't used. They got $45 billion for public transportation system, $50 billion for distribution of the COVID vaccine. But wouldn't you know it, no stimulus check at all. But we have PPP funding that wasn't even used last time. This new bill will have $560 billion of unused old money repurposed for this bill. That means this bill would really have a price tag of only $348 billion. This is far less than the Mooch Man's skinny bill. So what do you think? Do you think this bill will get passed? I don't believe it will. They can introduce all these bills all day long. I mean, we've seen it time and time again. They can introduce them, but until Nancy Pelosi and Mitch McConnell both says, yes, it passes, it's not going anywhere. And I do not see Nancy Pelosi agreeing to this bill. You know, she has held things up for a long time trying to get a bigger package. Now, if she bows down and takes this, what does that say about her? And she knows this. She will not accept this bill. If she accepts this bill, her career is over. There is no way she will agree to this. And she has to agree to it before it becomes a bill. Right now, it's just a proposal. Y'all let me know in the comments. Do you think Nancy Pelosi will pass this? I don't think she will. In fact, I could almost guarantee she will not pass it. But y'all let me know. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. Y'all, again, thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you your support on this channel. Without you, I would not have a channel, and I do appreciate you. I know a lot of times I say a lot of stuff that some people don't agree with, but that's the beauty of it. We can agree to disagree and still be friends, still be family. I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. Please subscribe to this channel, give me your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And also, say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for our leaders. Say a prayer for everyone been hurt by COVID and hurt by our government. Say a prayer for the world. The whole world needs a healing, and only one person can do that, and that's Jesus Christ. He has all the answers. We just don't know what they are yet. I love you all. Until next time, ciao.